Yo, what's up guys, my name is Mr. Freeze2244 and welcome to the Mystery of the Tricky Trio featured contract that got released yesterday. There was 5 featured contracts that got released yesterday, so I'm going to cover them all today. So the briefing is as follows. Agent 47, we're sending you back to Carlisle Mansion. This time it's to create a mystery rather than solve one. Use a saber, a unicorn horn, and a poison to eliminate 3 key individuals. It is advised that you take out the private investigator, steal his disguise, and potentially frame him for the tricky murders of 2 high-key hirees of the mansion. Be careful, being detected will compromise the whole mission. Do you have what it takes? And it was made by a blessing. So, we have 3 targets. So it's Phineas Whitmire, Mr. Fernsby, and Flynn Sharp. And we have to take out the investigator with the saber, and we have to take out Mr. Fernsby with the unicorn horn, and Flynn with the consumed poison. So we're going to start as a mansion guard in the staff room. I'm going to bring along the lockpick and a coin, and we're going to grab the saber straight away from the start. Use the lockpick on this door, and we're going to grab the lethal poison pills on the shelf. And now we're going to leap out the window now and go after the investigator, because we need to go and grab his disguise, of course. So we're just going to run to the start area of where he is. So he's just going to be over here. So what we're going to do ahead of time is get rid of the gardener. So he's going to come over to investigate, and we're going to take him out, because if we don't do this, the investigator can possibly send someone else to go investigate the noise. That's where he's more doing this. So at this point in time, we're just going to have to remain patient. We're going to try and chuck a coin just to get his attention to get over here. But we're going to wait for him get a little bit closer first. There we go.
What was that noise?
And once he comes near to the coin, we're just going to go and chuck another one just over here. Gonna lure him into the bushes. Then you're going to pull out the saber and take him out. Bang. There we go. Grab his disguise, and now we can move on to the final 2 targets. Now, to get Flynn Sharp, you have to make sure you trigger a conversation between him and the woman that's there. Okay, it's a maid. But first of all, we're going to take out Fernsby, because that's on the other side of the mansion. So we're going to grab that unicorn horn from there. Going to get frisked as we go into the mansion. You can alternatively just jump through the window. You don't really have to go through this frisk point, really. But once you get through here, the butler's just going to be behind the stairs. Just going to go ahead and take him out. We're also going to hide his body as well, because you may as well. We're just going to drag him all the way around underneath the stairs. There's going to be a crate there, and we're going to stick his body just in there. There we go. So we have one more final target. And he's just going to be over here, where the greenhouse is going to be. But like I said, we have to make him trigger a conversation between him and the maid. Otherwise, he doesn't go off to drink his bottle of water.
We don't have any extra fuses. Ethel looked everywhere.
This is the drink that you need to poison. Let's go ahead and poison that. It's probably best to stay crouched as you do this. But there we go. Now I'm just going to go and get the boat key. It's going to be in the greenhouse itself. So just watch out for any guards that can possibly see you if you're trying to lockpick this door. And if you look on the left on the little table, you'll see a key for a boat. So when Flynn is actually poisoned, finally, we can just exit the mission straight away with this boat over here. But it will take, a minute or 2 before that happens. Well, not that long, but you know what I mean. So I'm going to skip to that point before he gets poisoned. There we go. That means we can exit straight away. Easy. Nice and simple. Nice and straightforward, really, when you know how to do it. So let's just get a confirmation of this silent assassin. There we go. Done. Nice. Right, that's going to do it for this video. So hopefully this has helped you out if you are struggling with this. Thank you very much for watching. feel free to drop a like I just said. Subscribe if you are brand new to the channel as well, so you don't miss any videos just like this. Hit the bell notification to be notified of all future videos and live streams. Consider supporting me on Patreon or even becoming a member of the channel by clicking the join button below or clicking the link in the description. Also in the description is going to be a full link of the full playlist of featured contracts. There's also going to be a link at the end of this little outro here as well, so the link will be on the screen. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.